Greg with Fun and Sun RV. Time for another walkabout. This time it's on a brand new floor plan by Flagstaff, and it's called the 8529 RLS. Rear living room, triple slide out, fifth wheel. And here she is. Check it out. She's gorgeous. This falls into the ultralight type, but it's a true 3 seasons ultralight coach, and we will start our walkabout at the front. We do have the turning point by Trail Air hitch, which means we can actually swap the pivot point from here back to here. So for like your 5.5 foot bed trucks, we can actually hook this up behind there and not have to worry about damaging any vehicles that way. Over here we're going to have our docking lights, and we have storage area underneath here as well, which is more of a tool compartment storage. Also conceals your battery compartment and the battery disconnect over there. We do have solar panel hookup right here, so if you want to put a solar panel on to charge your battery, you can do so. And over here, this is nice, we do have the self-leveling system on this coach too. So you just push the button and it automatically levels up for you. And here in this compartment, this is your main storage compartment as well as your hookup area right here. That's a full pass-through, so you get a ton of storage that way. Plus you have this nice manifold system for hooking up your water, so you can, has all the presets set up, so when it comes time for winterizing or filling your freshwater tank or all that good stuff, you just have to coordinate the valves to what's up there and it'll work. Plus you got your satellite cable TV hookup here. We do have city water hookup there, and this will be your black water flush too for flushing up the black water tank. And we have an on-demand water pump switch out here too, which really makes it nice for winterizing your trailer. Hot cold mixer, so you have outside water access. And again, everything is aluminum, including the floor joists. So this is a 6-sided aluminum coach, and everything superstructure wise is welded aluminum. Very strong, very lightweight. And also what's nice is on these compartments, they are thicker, so they're actually insulated, and they do have these nice magnetic catches, which gives you hands-free access to get into that compartment, as well as slam lock. So it really seals good and tight, bulb seals and everything. Termination valves are located here, which is nice, and it is a single termination point, so everything dumps at one area. We do have independent suspension, and we've upgraded to 16-inch wheels, which is new for 2020. All aluminum, independent suspension, and self-adjusting brakes. Toward the back here, we do have your marine plug right here, getting away from the telescoping plug, and your freshwater tank fill right there. And this is nice on the back. We do have the flip down storage rack right there, as well as a 2-inch hitch bumper down here for putting bicycles in or carrying a boat. Whatever you want to do on a fifth wheel, you can do that. And we have a nice radius roof with a ladder rack and pour spouts on each corner. So it helps get the water off of that roof, and it is a full walk-on roof. Nice touch there. We'll mosey on around. We have a full-size awning on here, which is a power awning, and does include the LED lights underneath the awning, which is nice. And here you go. Yep, this does have the radio tires, and it has a TST system now, which lets you know what your tire pressures are, which is really nice. And then you have your TV hookup out here, as well as your barbecue grill hookup. And this is just more storage right there. Again, all aluminum framing. Very, very nice. We do have the solid steps right there, which just flip up into the door, which makes it much more stable going in and out of the trailer. And over here is just the opposite side of the hookup area, the opposite side of the full pass-through storage compartment. They have a nice little area there for holding your cranks and whatnot. But yeah, very, very nice setup. A nice oversized grab handle to make it easier for getting it out of the coach, as well as all Flagstaffs are Wi-Fi prepped, so you can turn your trailer into a hotspot if you want to. And that about wraps it up for the outside of the Flagstaff Classic Super Light 8529 RLS. Let's check out the inside, should we? And here we are inside the Classic Super Light Flagstaff 8529 RLS, and it is an awesome layout. Check this out. We have 3 slide outs, 2 opposing slide outs, so it gives you a lot of room in the living area, plus you have 1 upstairs. And this is cool. We have a nice dinette, high-rise chairs and everything right there. And we'll work our way back. We have a nice 3-burner range with an oven, and they do light, so you have that, so you have easy access to it. So you have your oven down below there. And these are all matchless burners, so you just hit the piezo and they light. Then you can just flip this up like this. You have your flush mount bifold burner cover, so you have access to your 3 burners up there. And we have a knife rack to the back too. You got a nice convenient place to store your knives. We have a residential size microwave right here, which does include a turntable. Nice little touch. And we have the residential French door refrigerator. So we actually have 110 volt household refrigerator by LG, so quality name. A lot of storage area inside here. It's a regular household type refrigerator. Both doors have got plenty of storage. And then you have a slide out freezer, which is double stacked right there too. So we have a ton of refrigerator storage area right there. You have a nice height of bed sofa right there, so it will make out into a bed. And then at the back here we have a nice entertainment center, which does give you an oversized TV. We do have the electric fireplace down there, which actually acts as a heater too, so you can heat this from electricity. Nice touch. Then your TV, soundbar, and another sofa over here. So you have 2 height of bed sofas, and you can actually put both of them out at the same time. There's plenty of room in here to do that. And this is what's nice. You have nice comfortable theater seats right here, which are a lounger too. So they actually have the legs that flip out, as you can see right there. So it is a lounger as well as a couch. And we have these nice TV trays right there too. So if you want to have a little lunch and watch the ball game, you can do so. And then this is cool. We actually have heat and massage all built into these theater seats. Nice feature there. Let's check out the front. As we move toward the front, we do have a nice galley with solid surface countertops, under counter mount sinks. So all of your sinks are under the counter, more like what you'd have at home, right there, as well as a nice metal faucet with a sink sprayer attachment included in it too. Also in the galley you have the power port, which is a pop-up power port. So this gives you 110 volt as well as USB charging ports right here, and it conveniently moves and stores down below the countertop when you don't need it. Push the button, lift it up, she locks in, you got your power station right there. All of your drawers are full-length extension drawers, all wood, but what's really nice, they're self-closers, just like what you would have at home. So your drawers all close automatically by themselves, so you don't have to worry about them popping open when you're traveling down the road. Dual zone, so we do have dual ACs on this coach here, all operate from the thermostat. And they have nice convenient light switches on the wall too, and a fantastic fan. So we actually have 3 fantastic fans on this unit. You have one in the living room, you have one here in the kitchen area, as well as one in the bathroom up here. So we have a fantastic fan up here, there. And also what's nice is we do have the regular walk-in shower, and it's actually the side walk-in shower, so it gives you a nice settee area right there, as well as tub surround, so it is a functional tub shower, and places to put shampoos, soaps, whatever. And this is cool, we do have the water saving system on here too, which helps you improve water usage, especially when you're just working off of the holding tank and not city water hookup. Also in the Flagstaff Classic Superlight, you can have a nice vanity for Mica Self Edge, a good sized stainless steel sink, and a nice little tray here that does give you water, glass and toothbrush holders, and a nice built-in medicine cabinet. Hey guys, good to see you. Right there. Your toilet will be a deluxe Dometic China bowl toilet versus the plastic, and it is a foot flush. And we have a nice little linen area right here with towel bars. Very, very nice feature. And as we go into the front, the master bedroom area, you got a very spacious bedroom here. You do have a nice front wardrobe, which gives you plenty of storage space, shelves, shoe storage to the back, plus hang up. And it is also washer dryer prep, so if you do want to put a washer dryer in here, you can do so. Right there. And over here, basically the same thing, just the other side. More storage cupboards there, shoe storage to the back, and you have access to this storage closet with removable shelf. So if you want to take the shelf out, you can do that and use it just only for hang-up locker. And two nice sized drawers right there down below. And then we have a residential king size bed on here too, which is very, very, very nice. And that is actually a Serta. So all of your furnishings are upgraded. For instance, you have the Serta bed, and if you have recliner chairs, they will be Lazy Boy. And this does lift up to give you additional storage under the bed. Nice feature. And again, everything structural is aluminum framed. Very, very nice. And over here, we do have a nice dresser. Again, full-length extension drawers, all wood, including the drawer faces. And again, self-closers. Close it. There you go. Closes by itself. All your bedrooms do have the day-night shades, whereas down below you're going to have the actual slow rise roll shades. So these are all room darkening. So you have the roll shade that goes up, and then you have the nice sheer that goes up as well, right there. Very, very nice feature. And that about wraps it up for the inside of the classic Superlight Flagstaff 8529 RLS. If you have any questions on this unit or you would like to view it, please contact Coopersville at 616-837-9768, or you can contact our Ludington location at 231-845-8282, or just visit us on the web, www.fnsrv.com. Again, this is Greg Grossenbacher with Fun and Sun RV, and as always, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy camping. Bye-bye.